Johnson & Johnson's Sisonke vaccination trial resumes today. That's fantastic news. It was put on hold when government decided to do further studies after 6 cases of rare blood clots were reported in the US. Almost 300,000 healthcare workers have been vaccinated, with about 200,000 more still to get the jab. eNCA's Heidi Giokos has more.
The halt in the Sisonke trial threw a large spanner in the vaccination works.
We suspended this trial for about 2 weeks, which means 14 days that we lost. And if we look at how many people the Sisonke researchers vaccinated before the trial was paused, it was about, on the lower end, about 10,000 people on average per day. So we're looking at about 140,000 vaccinations that we couldn't do during this period.
Meanwhile, vaccination centres are ready to start inoculating healthcare workers again.
It is absolutely crucial for the country to immunise as many of its healthcare workers and, in fact, the population as soon as possible. There is already vaccines. In fact, Milpark has got approximately 4,000 doses ready.
New regulations now apply in terms of pre-screening healthcare workers before they get the jab.
The first thing that has changed is that the pre-screening to see if someone is at risk of a blood clotting disorder will be more intensified. And there will also be the people who get vaccinated will also be required to sign an updated consent form.
But vaccination centres say they don't predict this will cause much of a delay when immunising healthcare workers.
We will start off a bit slower on Thursday only with about 1,400 doses. We can do at least 5,000 at the Milpark site specifically.
The Sisonke trial will exclude pregnant or lactating women until further studies are done. Heidi Giokos, Johannesburg.